I wanted to go over this problem from your chapter 4. And this is a good example of where you're given extra information and that can be a distraction. So we have gross margin, not contribution margin, but gross margin. And so we have to remember the classic financial statement, sales minus cost of goods sold, is gross margin, and then selling administrative. So that's not the same as splitting variable and fixed with a contribution margin in between. So if we set this up and populate it, this is another good example, by the way, of the theory driving the problem, not the problem driving your process. So notice the first thing I did was put my theory up here. Here's my income statement with the gross margin subtotal. So, and then the gross margin is 50% of sales. So then I can solve what gross margin is. Okay. And then they tell you variable selling, but we don't know units, so you really can't do anything with it because they don't give us sales price, so we can't figure out units. And they do give us fixed selling administrative, and then they don't give us profits. But what do they want? They want manufacturing costs. Those are product costs. Which number up here are they asking for? Product cost is cost of goods sold. So they're asking for this number. So the selling administrative doesn't matter. You don't need those two numbers. They are a distraction. Cost of goods sold is sales minus gross margin. Let me know if you have a question.